Nashville, Austin, and Memphis are renowned for their impact on the American music scene. But one place that doesn't get mentioned too often is Nazareth, Pennsylvania. This tiny town nestled in the Lehigh Valley has been the birthplace of guitars that have been used by people like Johnny Cash, Bob Dylan, Eric Clapton, Kurt Cobain, and so many more since 1839. This is Made in America, and today we're visiting Martin Guitars. Before Martin Guitars hear the roaring cheers of an audience, they hear this.
Part of our custom shop here where we still hand-shape necks.
Yeah, wow.
I mean, we use a lot of old world building methods still here.
I cannot get over how thin it actually is. There's not
It's
a
a thin
lot
piece of wood, no.
Yeah, there's not a lot here, and so it takes an amazing amount of precision in order to craft what you end up seeing as a guitar.
And that comes back to tone. You need to use materials that are thin enough to vibrate, because
Yeah.
that's where the sound comes from.